Today I'm gonna be ranking the killers in Dead by Daylight, and this is gonna be at rank 1 with no add-ons or offerings or any of that. Just gonna be at rank 1 at their base level. So first off, we have Trapper. I think he's one of the worst killers in the game. He can like if you hook someone in the basement, then he could go up to D tier, but like his power really doesn't do much. So F tier. Wraith. Thing like if you turn invisible and then like hit them, then he's just like a normal killer, so really not that strong. I was going against like this competitive like team, and they're like, oh, if you beat us then you get to join our team, and I 4K them with Wraith and Hillbilly, but it was because I know it at the end, that's why I beat them. But I'm gonna go D tier. Hillbilly, he did get a nerf, but it's really not that bad of a nerf. It's just the way his chainsaw is different is like messed me up, but I still think he's A tier. Nurse easily S tier. She ignores pallets, windows, walls, everything. Um, it's a good killer. If she was, a lot of people say Spirit's better than Nurse if they're on console, but I still disagree. Even if they're on console, because I've seen some really good console nurses. And I got to rank 1, or got a bunch of 4Ks at Red Rank using Nurse on console. And Michael Myers. I think here. Because his power is like so weak. So he starts off like slow, no terror radius, and then you have to like stalk. Yeah. He's slightly better than Wraith though. I'm gonna go with that. Yeah. Hag. That's a good one. I think A tier. I think a good A tier. Wait, Hag or Hill? I think Hag. I don't know. Hag, yeah. Because if you have some good loopers, then it's gonna be hard to get a chainsaw on. So that's why. Doctor. Nobody really plays Doctor. There's some good Doctor. I'm gonna put him in like C tier though. Not that good. Huntress. I don't know. A or B. I don't know. A or B. She can throw hatchet. No, I'm putting in B because she can get looped because she's like a 110% killer. Leatherface. A. He got a huge buff. They made it where like his chainsaw is like a lot longer. But she going B? He's better than Hillbilly though. Yeah. Freddy. Like that. Yeah. He can use those pallets. He got a nerf. I believe they're like 10 and now they're only 5. Like those dream snares. He can use those to slow down the survivors. He can teleport across the map. Stuff like that. So pretty good. Pig. He just killer. It's just a downgrade rated of Ghostface and Wraith though. He's like, well, he can sneak up. A very bad killer. Oh. Here. Yeah. Better than... No, not better than Wraith. Yeah. Yeah, like that. Clown. A lot of people will be putting him like F tier and D tier, but... his bottles are really good at loops and stuff, so I'm gonna put him in C tier. Actually... Nah, B tier. Huntress or Clown, which one's better? Huntress, I think. Legion. That. His power really doesn't do anything. It just injures the survivors, and then that's a normal killer. Plague. Upgraded version of Michael Myers, basically. You peek on the survivors, and the survivors just gonna cleanse, and by like the mid to end game, you're just gonna have like a non-stop corruption puke stuff. So I don't know if she's A tier though. No. She's like 8, cause like in the end game she's like good. Actually no. B tier. Hold on. That better. Ghostface. One of my favorite killers. He can sneak up. Again, like Wraith. He sneaks up, hits them, and then just normal killer. But a lot of people like to do the thing where like they hit them, and then they run away, try to hit another survivor, kind of like Legion. But then when this is calling, maybe Thanatophobia and, what was that other perk? Pretty much like a hit and run thing, and then sneak up on the survivors and then down them. That's good. Alright, Demogorgon. See. Not that good. His teleport's not that good. His dash isn't that good, but yeah. One very overrated killer. They put him in A tier, S tier. If you have infectious fright, then he could be H. I don't know. But the thing is, if you're going up against like a good team, and they find out it's Oni, they're gonna like split apart, and then you're not gonna be able to. Yeah. I will do that. And that. Huntress better than. Yeah, I think so. Deslinger. I don't like playing Deslinger. He might, yeah, at the very bottom of C tier, because you have to be like so accurate. With this, her hitbox is like so big with the hatchets, and this you have to be like precise and hit shots that are hard. And he can't shoot over pallets unless, you know. Pyramid Head, very good actually. He can counter DS, so you want to down them first, hook them, and then you want to do the thing where like they get like infected and whatever it's called, and then you teleport them, and then yeah. Good killer. He has a good power. Yeah, really good killer. Blight. They say he's like really good, but I'm gonna go with that. Yeah, right in between. You have to be like so good. I don't know. Doings. Oh, let me think. I don't know. Pretty good actually. I say A tier. But I think Plague's better though. Did Plague go on A tier? Yeah, I think so. Wait, Freddy better than Hillbilly? Yeah, if you're gonna get a good team. No. Twins is better. But Twins should go on A tier? Huh. Yeah. No, better. Cause going against good, then better. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. But yeah, Trickster isn't in this, but if he was, I would put him, at the King of F tier. Cause his power is so weak. And his special power is, like, terrible. But yeah, King of F tier. What's his name was on here? But yeah, that's my tier list. Make sure you like, subscribe, and